on today's episode of Sugar TV. Y'all hear that sizzle? It's because we are making sausage and bacon omelets. 100% on the griddle. Nice and brown. I'm about to take these off now and we're gonna get these eggs going. Alright, the meat is done. So what I did was clean off my griddle. Cleaned it from all the oil. And then I put like a tablespoon of the grease on the griddle. You want to make it of a semi-even shape. There we go. And let it cook there. And then what you want to do after it cooks is turn it down low so that it can cook low and slow. Flip it. Oh no. Messed up my flip. Flip it, and then we're going to add the cheese and the bacon and roll it. It looks delicious. You can definitely add as much or as little as you want. I try to let the cheese melt first. Once the cheese melts, then we're going to roll it.